Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to show notification or show preview notification on tap only. So if you tap the notification it will show what it is about. So if you want to do that, what you need to do is simply go ahead to the settings app. Here, once you come to the settings, you need to scroll all the way down until you see standby. Simply tap on the standby. Here you can see the option show preview on tap only. So what you need to do is simply turn it on. Once you turn it on, now you will be able to see preview on tap only. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.